monkey around. Chimpanzee said to me in Monkey Town, every monkey's free to jump around or pound the ground or just kick back in a monkey tree. You can let your knuckles drag the ground. It's okay 'cause you're in Monkey Town. Monkey, 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 monkey town. You can monkey, 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 monkey around. All the monkeys, they gathered round. They wanted to know what was I doing in Monkey Town. I told them how I hitched a ride on Coco's big wheel bike, and they all laughed. A monkey laughed and said, stick around if you like. You can't stick around if you like. So here's what you do when you go to the zoo. You feed the lions and the zebras too. You look around, listen for the sound of all them monkeys in Monkey Town. You can follow a trail of banana leaves.